technology, business administration, call 8362002 or visit www.fu.edu.ph. Going back sa pinag-uusapan natin kanina, mga pabago-bago na numero. Diyan ka nga talaga may hilo. Pag substitution na.
Ay, ako pala.
Gervasio nails another ace. And here come more of the players coming out of Ateneo. Yes, that's Ailis Nakachi seeing her first action.
Yes.
Replacing Gretchen Ho and Giselle Tan for Jem Ferrer with the score at 19-10. More substitutions coming in. We have Daphne Mata seeing her first action now for the Philippine Navy, replacing Eileen Suson. So again, yung mga players na ito, it's also a workout for them.
Of course, Nakachi, who last conference we saw was improved so much.
Yeah. Actually, she's part
especially
of
on defense.
She's part of the Fab 5. Lianeta, not a good start for her in this game. She's part of the Fab 5 recruits nga ng Ateneo ng volleyball. We had Kainglet, Ferrer, Gervasio, Ho, and Nakachi. She was in that group. Although yung apat lang talaga yung naging babad sa Ateneo, Nakachi was also part of the original Fab 5. Lianeta getting it across. Carpio.
Galido.
And that goes through Nakachi and Tan.
That's right. Sabi niya siguro, mag-enroll muna kayo.
Marami pa kayong kakainin. 19-12. Deposoy on the serve. Giselle Tan sends it backwards there for Phil Kainglet.
A free ball now given to Ateneo.
And Nakachi. Here's Carpio. Galido, yes. Uy, 6 na lang ito, ha? Pwede pa ito para sa Philippine Navy. Narinig natin yung mga chance of habol. Deposoy on the serve.
Oh, nice serve.
Tan. And Lianeta almost getting it through. Laborte free ball. Tan. Lianeta into the net.
That was right into Rosale also.
19-14, sabi ni Parley Tupas. Ano ba? Ano ba nangyayari dito? Pag-usapan nga natin to. 5 na lang abate ng Ateneo.
Hindi rin po mag-free.
Tapos ba? Oh, si Beatan pumasok na rin. Lahat na pinasok na ng Ateneo. So the Tan sisters in together. Beatan, of course, the libero.
No, yan talaga yan eh. When you're given the chance to shine, you gotta be prepared. You gotta be ready.
Oh, rotation error against Ateneo. Another point here for the Philippine Navy.
And easy points.
Right. 4 na lang ito. And let's see if Parley Tupas actually sticks with this lineup hanggang sa katapusan. Whether it goes 4 sets or Ateneo wins it here. Nakachi. Lianeta. Carpio. Galido. Dug up, but not quite there from Lianeta.
Ako tingin ko, ayan, papalit.
Nalayas na pinasok na. Masyado na malapit to.
Yan. Tsaka wala siya nakikitang nag-uupensa eh.
Right.
Yun yung mahirap. So,
No, Phil is in the back line.
yes, but imagine, you'd still have to go back row. Diba? Mas,
Right.
ano ba yung percentage nun? As, rather than giving it to your front row hitters.
Here's Rosale. Nasa harapan pa si Rosale, so they have to contain her. Eliza, off the block. Carpio, across for Galido. Kainglet. Tan. Oh, wow, Eliza, welcome back.
This is what we're talking about. Eliza stopping the bleeding. Sayang naman sa Navy, no? Stringing up some points and starting to get closer to Ateneo.
Oh, Nakachi serve doesn't even make it to the
Really
net.
poor serve. Sabi ko sa'yo, may optical illusion.
Ganun ba? Pareho lang naman ang distance eh. Parang layo nito.
Oh.
Oy, pero sa basketball court, totoo yun. May mga ibang court na maliliit, may mga ibang court na malalaki, ha? Oo. Nakalaro ka na ba sa Dumlao Gym? Ang laki ng court na yun, ha? Nice block that time from Prochina. One more time around for Eliza.
Dug up well by Diposoy.
Prochina going to Galido. Galido digs it up. Carpio for Prochina. Here's Tejada. Rosale. Carpio. Prochina. Turned back by Valdez. Galido with the left hand. It doesn't work.
That goes in. Pero ang Navy, never say never! Never say die. Sige lang, try lang na try.
Ano naman yan eh. Hindi ko nasasabi sa
Oo, sanay. Alam mo, yung Philippine, again, Philippine Navy, Army, Air Force, just sanay sa hirap yan. Hindi yan basta-basta bibigay.
Sabi lang sa Ateneo, sige, doon tayo sa dagat.
Swimming.
Oh, nice attack there from Galido.
Right on the spot.
Hard to believe that she was the libero last year. Ang dami niya pa ng offensive skill sets. And Galido will be serving. Valdez. Tan tries to push it across, but Herbacio just gets it across. Valdez going to Kainglet. He's back in front now. Tan. Kainglet over everybody, and she will score again.
No one there for the third ball.
Timeout. Nene Ibanez once again. Ateneo now 3 points away from the match.
Sundan niya, tingnan niyo yung sinong nag-receive. Para pag na-miss ball, doon. Habulan, save the ball. Ha? Isa-isahin natin yan. Kaya natin yan ulit. Kaya namin yan, ha? Dad, siyempre dad, dalawa ang strike, ulong mo sa ito. Ha? Pagkano? Ulong mo. Okay. Sabi ka ng receive. First test, kailangan natin. Navy! Navy!
Para pag nagsalita ito si Nene Ibanez, yes, Commander. Talaga. Ganun talaga, no? Ang sabi niya, Farley Tupas kanina before the game started. Gusto na mag-handshake na lang sila.
Wala na, hindi yan si Seconds. Gusto ko wrestling na lang eh. Takot si Coach Barley eh.
Atras ka agad si Farley Tupas, upo ka agad eh. Tejada getting it across. Ay! Third ball, pinalipad na lang nito si Galido. Here's Kainglet. Carpio attack.
Oh, yan na.
Kulat sa Beyatan.
Yan ang sinasabi ko sa'yo. Si Carpio, just like Ruby De Leon, could be spikers inside the court. Kaya pwede kang maglaro ng 6-2. Yan ang kasama mo sa loob. Nako. Yun ang perfect volleyball.
Pero ito ngayon, 3 na lang ang battery ito ng Ateneo. Here's Tan. And sabi ni Eliza, or Herbacio rather, yeah.
Yeah, just too much power behind that hit by Herbacio. Well, on the Navy side, Galido, 6 attack points and 6 digs in. So, also offense, defense for Galido in this game.
Marge Tejada.
Oh, ganda.
Very sharp serve. Pwede maging serve specialist ito pag napuno sila sa sentro, no?
And I like the court sense of this girl. Magandang court sense. I could see her kanina dun sa mga sets. She would adjust to the sets. Kahit hindi masyado malakas yung palo niya, pero yung feet niya tama.
Right.
And that's how you want to start everything from the basics.
Ateneo has 5 match points. They only needed 1. So a straight sets victory after losing in straight sets to Sandugo. Ateneo gets their first win at the expense of the Philippine Navy. 25-19 was the score in the third set. Let's take a look at our shake and play. Power serve coming there from Angeline Herbacio. One of many highlights for Ateneo in this victory.